eBay's AI Activate partnership with OpenAI marks a transformative moment for small and medium e-commerce businesses. In late 2025, eBay announced it would onboard up to 10,000 sellers, giving them a full year of free access to ChatGPT Enterprise and a custom suite of AI-powered productivity tools, plus dedicated support teams and tailored onboarding. Valued at over $3 million, this program is designed to do far more than automate routine seller tasks. Its real ambition is to train UK entrepreneurs with best-in-class artificial intelligence so they can boost productivity, reclaim time, and scale their businesses in ways the competition simply cannot match. Here's what's really happening. Comprehensive AI integration. Sellers get ChatGPT Enterprise, which brings advanced features like unlimited high-speed queries, enterprise security, and access to custom GPTs built for eBay workflows. Tailored seller training. Participants receive specialized onboarding, webinars, virtual training, and soon live sessions, covering not just the basics, but deep optimization, writing SEO listings, analyzing market data, handling customer messaging, managing inventory, and resisting AI prompt injection threats. Custom GPTs. Dedicated eBay and OpenAI teams work with sellers one-on-one to build GPTs tuned to each business's needs. A clothing reseller, for example, can create an agent that extracts measurements from photos and generates product descriptions using the ideal keywords. Vintage sellers can automate historical research, find comps, and handle pricing strategy with AI in a few clicks. The new suite of features includes AI Assistant for messaging, automates responses, aggregates offers, streamlines inbox management, and even drafts proactive messages for upselling and customer service. Inventory Mapping API lets power sellers manage thousands of SKUs using real-time inventory logic and AI-enhanced listing recommendations. Automated feedback and buyer protection. AI tracks delivery issues, monitors feedback in real time, and gives sellers warnings before potential buyer disputes arise. Targeted insights. GPTs automatically analyze sales performance, suggest optimal pricing or sale timing, and surface niche trends in the market before they go mainstream. Cost tracking and strategy. Dynamic dashboards show sellers their cost structures, profit margins, and competitive positioning, all powered by AI's data crunching and pattern identification. Impact on sellers. Early access users report a dramatic 60–80% reduction in time spent on listings and communication. With ChatGPT, drafting an eBay listing is now as simple as uploading images and basic product data, then letting AI write SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and footnotes, often outperforming human-written content on search and conversion. Sellers with ADHD, limited time, or team constraints find the new tech especially liberating, creating hundreds of listings per day with higher accuracy and consistency. Marketplace data shows sellers using AI tools achieve quicker listing turnaround, often 3–4x faster than manual work, more accurate search ranking visibility due to improved keyword targeting, faster, friendlier customer service replies with less effort, automated sales analytics and performance checks, enhanced protection against buyer fraud and disputes. Research from eBay indicates that 69% of UK online sellers are excited, 43%, or curious, 26%, about AI's benefits, but most lack the guidance, budget, or support for full adoption. The AI Activate program directly addresses these challenges, combining free technology with hands-on help and a real support network. Competitive advantage. Other platforms like Amazon and Shopify offer limited AI tools, but eBay's deep partnership with OpenAI is fundamentally different. Custom GPTs, enterprise-grade security, and seller-centric workflows are now available to everyone in the program. As governments and business groups note, SMBs, small and medium businesses, make up 60% of UK employment and half the private sector turnover. Closing the AI adoption gap is critical for growth. Bottom line, AI is not a distant future. It's here now, and sellers who embrace the AI Activate tools before their competitors do will enjoy real, sustainable advantage. If you sell on eBay and want more efficiency, better listings, and a breakthrough in automation, this is your window of opportunity. Let's zoom in on what this means for day-to-day operations and the broader future of online selling. The training experience. Sellers onboarded to the AI Activate program start with a set of virtual training modules. These aren't just how-to videos. They include tailored walkthroughs for building custom GPTs using real product data and store history. Dedicated coaches from eBay's seller support team and OpenAI solutions experts work with each business owner to refine their GPT, plugging it directly into daily workflows. Topics include generating product descriptions from images, algorithmically selecting keywords based on live eBay search trends, automating price adjustments and inventory updates, handling multi-channel sales and messaging with seamless AI-powered coordination. For advanced users, training covers integrating ChatGPT API with third-party tools like bookkeeping, shipping, and analytics services, letting businesses automate even more. As sellers graduate from virtual sessions to in-person workshops, starting 2026, support becomes even more personalized, with custom implementation and ongoing optimization for each seller. Key success stories. Take Rad Relics, a vintage reseller featured in recent YouTube demonstrations. Using ChatGPT 5, John slashed his listing time from hours to minutes. AI handled all the detail extraction from photos, including clothing measurements, style, and fit. Once the details were uploaded, GPT recommended the ideal price based on comparable sales and trending search data. When John had to respond to buyers or research competitive comps, the same system auto-drafted messages in his brand tone, even handling ADHD distraction by breaking large tasks into manageable auto-completed actions. Other sellers report that AI-powered tools help navigate eBay's evolving rules, compliance checks, and policy updates. GPTs provide real-time guidance, linking to updated help articles and summarizing regulatory changes relevant to each item category. Some use AI for video creation and thumbnail generation to boost listing engagement. Scaling and staying competitive. With buyer demand shifting rapidly and marketplaces filled with millions of listings, AI-powered automation ensures sellers stay ahead of trends. Inventory mapping means businesses can manage and update thousands of products across multiple platforms with a single dashboard. Messaging automations let sellers swiftly reply, negotiate, and resolve issues without burnout. As the program scales, eBay plans to introduce more specialized GPTs for verticals like collectibles, electronics, and clothing, ensuring that sellers of every niche have agents tuned to their market. The broader impact: lower barriers to entry for small entrepreneurs and a level playing field with bigger brands who have teams of data scientists on staff. The future of selling. Industry experts forecast that by 2027, nearly all top-performing eBay SMBs will use at least one custom GPT in their daily workflow. As this trend accelerates, eBay's data analytics help refine best practices, recommend optimal selling periods, and even flag potential buying trends before they peak. The eBay Activate program isn't just a tech handout. It has a full upgrade for how SMBs manage e-commerce, blending expertise, automation, and continuous training. For sellers, it's about efficiency, growth, and peace of mind. For buyers, it's about faster service, better listings, and increased trust. Bottom line: with AI Activate, eBay sellers move from manual, time-consuming work to fast, intelligent automation. The first wave of participants will dominate in productivity, the rest risk being left behind. This is the future of e-commerce, one where every seller has AI on their side.